Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch, and today is another episode of Craft or Crap, where I take on Chaz from Chaz's Crazy Creations, and we go head to head on a craft project. And this month we are doing Christmas in July. And the rules are very simple. Obviously it's Christmas in July, so it has to be a Christmas theme. We have to repurpose a candle holder, and we have to include some glass. So I got it covered. Also, we have a fun giveaway, so be sure to stick around to the end. The very first thing I'm going to do is clean it, and I'm starting to do it, and this is what I got off of the candle holder, which I thought was brass, but now it doesn't look like it. And based on the stickers that were on it, I mean, I don't think this is real silver, because it was like on sale for 10 bucks at the actual store and $1.99 at the thrift store. So I don't know what this is. But we'll clean it up as best as we can, and then I'll see if I just leave it silver or if I do something with it. And what do you think? First off, what do you think? Should I leave it silver? Leave it in the comments and we'll see if you and I agree. I'm going to keep cleaning all the other stuff. Just give it all a good cleaning inside and out. Well, upon cleaning it, that looks just terrible. So guess what we're not going to do? We're not going to leave it as it is. I'm not really getting this to polish very well, so I'm not even going to waste my time with that. I'm going to start out with this Folk Art Matte Vintage White. I'm just going to give it a little brushing. And I think the vintage white will actually look pretty nice. I'm using the watercolor gels from Folk Art in Sea Turtle. Now, I'm not going to do it on every single piece of glass, so let's think it through here. Here's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I know I don't want it on this one because I like this glittery look already, so I want to do every other one. So I'm going to do this one, not do this one, do this one, not do this one, and do this one. So I decided to take a little inspiration from Chaz's last video. I'm going to use Mod Podge Multi Matte Finish. I'm going to put some in a cup, and then I'm going to add my Sea Turtle watercolor. Start in the small one. And I'm just going to keep turning it until I get to the edge. And then I'm going to put it over the next one and let it drip into there. And while that's doing that, I'm going to put some into this one. Now I'm going to just let these drip dry. This one's in a cup. This one I can't fit into a cup, so it will just drip dry where it's at. I'll move it a few times, and then anything that might accumulate where I don't want it to be, I'll just clean it up. This was not part of the original plan, but I really like the way that this looks. We'll do a section at a time because I can't really tell what this is. So we're going to add a little silver disco, some glamour dust, just a tiny bit of the gold, just super little bit. Doesn't have to be exact. Oh, so pretty. I know some of you aren't that into glitter, but that's where you and I disagree. We're going to let that dry also. So I used my Mod Podge Super Gloss, which is my favorite Mod Podge. Let me know what your favorite Mod Podge is. We don't want this glitter to shed till the end of time, so we're going to take this Mod Podge Ultra Spray. And this is the gloss. Then we're not disrupting the glitter. Then we'll just let that dry too. We're going to work on the topper. As for our little starfish friend, we are going to embrace the glitter. So I'm going to throw some glitter Mod Podge in here. And I'm using the glitter Mod Podge, so it's glitter upon glitter. So we'll sprinkle it on there. And you can use regular Mod Podge. I had the glitter Mod Podge, and you know, if we're going glitter, let's go glitter. Everything's dried, and I made a gem out of resin with the excess glitter that I had left over. Here's our glittered starfish, and here's our pieces. I do like the way that this turned out with the wash on there because it looked way better than it did before. And then I also have this string of fairy lights. I bought this Gorilla Glue, and I did that because it says very specifically on their glass. So I'm going to center it. All I'm going to do is on the edges here, I'm going to, on the inner edges, not on the end. And then go on to the next one. Wherever it is going to meet and touch, that's where we want to make sure we have the glue. And you can use E6000 if you would rather. And then I have the starfish to top it off. So here's the reveal. I'm going to bring it up close here, and this is the Craft or Crap. and I am gonna light it up. I just put the fairy lights around the trunk of the tree. I was originally gonna put it around the glass and stuff, but I didn't know if that would kind of take away from it. So I left it this way, but it sure would be an option to do that. So let me know what you think would be better. Just on the trunk or around the whole tree. Be sure to let me know if you think my project is craft or crap, and jump on over to Chaz's channel and let her know if hers is craft or crap too. I would love to know what you think. In a funny and unexpected turn of events, Chaz and I were talking, and I found out that she has made a Christmas tree out of candle holders in the past. Too funny. Check out Chaz's video. Be sure to let me know what you think of hers too. If you want to be featured in a future craft or craft video, look for the information in the description. This month's projects, we have Kathy, who took a kerosene lamp, did a paint pour, and electrified it. And Dell, who repurposed and decorated a Pringles can. Both of them are awesome projects. Thanks for sharing. Are you ready for the giveaway? It is sponsored by Plan On It Emporium, which is an Etsy shop owned by Karina. It has so many amazing digital projects. To sign up for the giveaway, look for the link in the description below and let Chaz and I know if our projects are craft or crap. Thanks so much for watching. Again, let me know, craft or crap, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll see you over at Chaz's video. Also, remember to go join our Craft or Crap Facebook group. All the details down in the description. Hey, if you want to get notified of future craft or crap videos, be sure to look for the link down in the description below.